Did you know that Windows can connect to and mirror your phone? So I went down a bit of a rabbit hole. The thing that I actually originally wanted to make this video about was this cool Android app called OmniTools that has all sorts of different tools. We'll get to that in a second. But in the process of figuring out how to make this video, went down a bit of a rabbit hole of how to be able to show this on my computer rather than having to record and take little screenshots straight off the phone. If you search ChatGPT or one of the other LLMs, it will suggest using emulators like BlueStacks and running your Android app inside of that. But in fact, it turns out that Windows has this native program. So PhoneLink is built into Windows 11. All you need to do, type in PhoneLink, run the app. You need to have your phone and your computer on the same network. So both connected to the same Wi-Fi, or perhaps your computer by Ethernet cable, your phone by Wi-Fi connected to that same network. And you need to have a Microsoft account because you need to be able to log into the Microsoft account to do the sharing back and forth. There's a little bit of logging in and verifying one device to the other. I've already done that, and since I already have it connected, I'm not able to show you that, but it's a pretty straightforward process. Log in on one, log in on the other, click through a couple of boxes, and you're all connected. And so now what you're actually seeing here on the screen is my phone, and it's sitting here on the screen. I can do phone-related things. So currently I've got the OmniTools app up, but I can also access my calls, my messages. Here is the PhoneLink app running. And so I'm on the settings page at the moment, but we can see we've got messages, photos, apps, and calls. And you're able to explore these and run these as if you were just working on your phone. I know that if you are on a Mac and you've got an iPhone, lots of that is very easily done. But for those of you that are on Windows, both types of phones will work with Windows. If you find that for work or even just for social reasons, you're going back and forth between your phone and your computer quite often, then being able to get them all coming through the same screen and the same device is going to make life much easier. So there's a nice little discovery I made, PhoneLink. And then the thing that I originally wanted to show you was this app called OmniTools. If you imagine that someone thought of all the different kinds of calculator and measurement that you could do with your phone, and instead of making a whole lot of apps, they smashed them all into one single app. It's really quite amazing, and you won't use everything here, but I can almost guarantee you there will be something or a few things that you will. So we can see at the start here, we've got things like date difference, time zone, really handy for me where I'm doing a bit of video work for people in other countries. We've got a number of different finance ones here. We've got a barometer. We've got a compass. We've got a spirit level. Paint estimator is a pretty cool one. Recipe scaler, screen ruler. It just keeps going on. And then we get into some maths ones. We've got a quadratic solver, area converter, all sorts of different things, all sitting inside this one app, all for free. You can support them by giving them less than $1. And up here, we've also got special tools. If we click on that, got a Pomodoro timer. We've got some scanners for barcodes, for QR codes. We've got a bill splitter, parking spot finder. We've got several musicians tools. So we've got a tuner, we've got a metronome, we've got image to text. We've got some wheel spinners and chance tools in there, a huge diversity of tools, and as I said before, for free. I would definitely recommend checking this one out if you are on Android. I haven't gone through and checked every single one to make sure that they all work, but certainly the ones that I have all looked pretty good, even the physical ones. So here we can see I am currently moving the phone about, and we can see it pitching and rolling, and we put it down on the flat, and it turns out my desk is not actually perfectly flat. I think I might live with those little fractions of a degree that it's off though. So OmniTools, it's in the Play Store. This is not sponsored at all. This was something I just came across randomly. I thought it was pretty cool. And between that and PhoneLink as a way to be able to hook your phone up to your Windows computer, I thought those were some handy little things that you might have some interest in. Thanks for watching. I'll be back really soon with more videos on AI and research, and every so often, like today, some random stuff. If you enjoyed this, then you might like a couple of these other recommended videos, including how to set up and run your own local large language model.